Hello, welcome back. I'm Marites and you are watching Cocina de Marites channel. If you're new to this channel and find this video helpful, click the like and share this video to your family and friends. I'm not a culinary expert. I just want to share with you what I have learned as a stay-at-home mom. With that said, without further ado, let's get started. Today in this video, we will prepare and cook a spaghetti sauce. I will just show you my simple, newly improved spaghetti sauce. I used to make a spaghetti sauce by using Del Monte tomato sauce and banana ketchup. But today, I will try another tomato sauce brand, which is Hans tomato sauce. And I will not use the hot dog like as a Filipino style, but I will use instead a sweet ham. As you can see, prepare first by sauteing the ground beef with tomato, garlic, and onion. After cooking the ground beef, you can add the sliced sweet ham. It's so simple to make and it's so delicious. That's why I want to share with you what I've discovered, because my children doesn't want hot dog anymore. They grown up like a teenager and they don't want hot dog as I usually cook the old style spaghetti. So I make an experiment and use instead of sweet ham. So I hope you try this recipe. It's so simple and it's so delicious also. After sauteing the ground beef with all those tomato, garlic, and onion, you can add the sliced sweet ham until it's cooked also, about 2 to 3 minutes. And then after this, you can add the Hans tomato sauce and the banana ketchup and also the herbs that I showed you a while ago, which is the thyme, oregano, and rosemary. So that is so simple to make, and of course you can add ground pepper, ground black pepper, or white pepper, whatever you like, and that's it. I will just show you also my reviews. I will just put the link of my old video about spaghetti Filipino style sauce. So that's it. It's so simple. Let it simmer and stir it well, all the herbs that you put. As you can see, there's a ground pepper, rosemary, and oregano. It's so simple and yummy spaghetti sauce. Actually, I made this because I have stock of tomato sauce. I was about to make a pizza, but instead I make a spaghetti sauce. So I will just put on the description box my old spaghetti sauce, whatever you like, and try those recipe also, and this one. So whichever you would like to try, and for me this is now my newly improved spaghetti sauce that I usually make nowadays. So yummy. Happy eating, happy cooking, enjoy, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video. God bless and stay safe. Spaghetti sauce, so yummy. Very simple to make. You can do it at your own time and your own space. simple spaghetti sauce without hot dog. We just use a sliced sweet ham and the ground beef, of course. Thank you for watching.